For tuning back into my channel. Listen, I am back, you guys. Thank y'all so much for showing up. I have been super busy, but listen, let me tell y'all, I want to talk about the secret place with God. A lot of people, they don't like to be hidden. They don't like to be alone. They don't like to be by themselves. But let me tell you, there is healing in being alone. Because when you are alone, y'all, with God, and you truly walk with Him, let me tell you, I did a whole video about how the trusted messengers of God, listen, they are not famous. Okay, and so let me tell you this. The secret place, it says, he who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. This is in Psalms 91:1. The secret place, this is where mysteries and blueprints and instructions, y'all, are downloaded. Okay, and I want to come on here to remind you today. Listen, if you in the secret place, this is where God wants you to be. Okay, and listen, this ain't no physical room, baby. I ain't talking about your physical prayer closet. I'm not talking about none of that. But I'm talking about a sacred dimension of intimacy with God. It is a spiritual refuge where distractions die, where egos dissolve, and where your spirit communes deeply with the Creator, okay? In the secret place, your soul is silenced and your spirit becomes sensitive. This is where mysteries are revealed, divine blueprints are birthed, okay, and warfare strategies are given. Instructions for your next assignment is also downloaded. Do you understand me? And so this is why the secret place, y'all, it is important. So why must you go there? You must go there because, listen, in public, you operate in power, right? And so in the battlefield, you war with wisdom. But in the secret place, you are transformed, you are filled, and you are prepared to go forth. So listen, you do not go to the secret place to perform. No, you go there to become. Do you understand me? So this is a place, okay, the secret place. It is a place of spiritual clarity. All right? Confusion lifts and divine alignment begins. And you get fresh oil. You receive a new anointing. And you get a spiritual recharge. Do you hear me? And you get heavenly strategy. Because God, He shows you what to build. He shows you what to release. And He shows you what to speak. I'm talking about the secret place. I'm talking about divine concealment. When your enemies can't track what's birthed in secret. Do you understand me? See, your enemies can't track that. They don't know the plans that God has for you. Right? Because some of the plans that God has for you, baby, they off the radar. Let me say that again. Some of the plans that God has for you are off the radar. Do you understand me? And so listen, what the enemy don't know, he can't attack. So listen to this. This is where God gives you divine concealment. Signs that you have been in the secret place is this. Your decisions, they flow with peace, not pressure. You move with God's timing, not man's approval. Do you understand me? Your release, okay, from heaven. You release heaven's ideals, not recycled noise. Please shut that. Please shut that. I want you to shut that, please. Thank you. So, you release heaven's ideals. You don't release cycled noise. You walk in revelation, just not motivation, okay? Now, how do you enter this secret place, okay? You enter this secret place. Let me tell y'all this. You enter this secret place, listen. Daily consecrated time with God. You shut the door, you silence the noise, and you be intentional about your time, okay? How you enter the secret place. You worship in spirit and in truth. You set the atmosphere. You open your heart. You wait in stillness, okay? You meditate, okay? Whatever hour God told you to do it at. Listen, you don't rush, but you listen to God. You journal what you hear. You journal what you see. God give you instructions, and they often come as impressions, as visions, as downloads, okay? And you return to the secret place. You go there often, right? This is not just a one-time visit. No, it's a daily dwelling. And so, Father, I ask right now that you draw the person that is listening to this video. You draw them to the secret place, God, with you. And you let every voice be silenced, okay? Teach them how to wait, how to listen, and how to receive. Okay, God? And I ask you right now, Abba Father, to download your mysteries into their spirit, okay? And give them strategies for their assignment, and for rest. rest for their soul. Okay? Because why? I don't want them to seek power without your presence, God. Okay? Don't let them do that. And don't even let me do it. Because listen, I don't seek power without God's presence. We never supposed to do that. So I want you to pray to enter the secret place with God. And this is a daily consecrated time. You're going to worship in spirit and truth. Wait in stillness. Journal what you hear or see, and you return often. Because why? It's a daily dwelling. This is your dwelling place. Do y'all understand me? This is the dwelling place. This is the secret place with God. This is where God dwells, right? And so I pray that you say that prayer daily and you ask God, okay, God, give me spiritual clarity. Give me fresh oil. Give me heavenly strategy, and give me divine concealment. Okay, it is a must that you go there. Because why? In public you operate with power, and in the battlefield you war with wisdom. But in this secret place, this is where you're transformed. This is where you're filled, and you're also prepared. You listen, God prepared. Listen, He said what you do in secret, baby. It's what you do in secret. God will reward you openly. Do you understand me? And this is the secret place that you must dwell in. It's a sacred dimension of intimacy with God, where you get His mysteries, where you get the blueprint, where, listen, the instructions are downloaded. Do you understand me? God wants to give y'all some downloads in this season. He wants to share His mysteries with you, and He wants to give you the blueprint. Listen, so I wanted to come on here and remind you of the secret place, okay? What it is, how to enter, and why you must go there, right? And then also for you to pray to enter into the secret place in this season of your life, because your life depends on it. It is crucial in this hour.